Benoit Mandelbrot's 1963 paper, The Variation of Certain Speculative Prices, published in the Journal of Business, represents the foundational empirical work establishing that financial markets exhibit fat tails, a property where extreme events occur far more frequently than traditional Gaussian, normal, models predict. Prior to Mandelbrot, the dominant framework, dating back to Louis Bachelier in 1900, assumed that asset price changes were independent and followed a normal distribution, where movements beyond 3 or 4 standard deviations, 3 sigma or 4 sigma events, were considered virtually impossible. Analyzing historical cotton price data, Mandelbrot made a striking empirical observation. Large price fluctuations were not rare anomalies but occurred systematically more often than the normal distribution would allow. He noted that the empirical distributions of price changes were leptokurtic, exhibiting a sharper peak and, more critically, substantially heavier tails than the Gaussian benchmark. This meant that what conventional models dismissed as outliers were, in fact, an intrinsic and predictable feature of speculative markets. To mathematically formalize this finding, Mandelbrot proposed that price variations follow a stable Peirthian-Levy distribution, a class of probability distributions characterized by power law decay in the tails. Unlike the normal distribution, these stable distributions can have infinite variance, meaning that extreme outcomes, including multi-sigma events, are not only possible but occur with non-negligible probability. This framework provided the first rigorous mathematical alternative to the Gaussian assumption in finance. Rushed into print at Paul Kuttner's request, the 1963 paper became a cornerstone of empirical finance. It laid the groundwork for fractal analysis, critiques of Var, and Taleb's extremiston, a world governed by fat tails, not bell curves. Mandelbrot fundamentally reshaped how economists understand